Welcome back everybody. Here in this class I'm just going to teach you some more things about the conditional operators. Now we are just talking about the greater than or less than operators. Okay, we've learned about the equal to or not equal to, strictly or not in strictly operators, but right now I'm just creating another variables. The var 7 is equals to 5, and I think I should change the value right now. I'm just putting 8, okay? And in var 8 I'm just putting 9, okay? Perfect. Now I'm just going to the line number 21, and here I'm just typing if. Right now I'm just using the variables var 7, and at this time I'm just using simple the equal sign, equal operator, and here I'm just using var 8, okay? Because I'm just filling the area to show, then I'll just teach you what to do and what not to do. That is not equal to the, here is the another thing, var 6 dot and the br. Okay, everything is fine. Right now obviously we know that var 7 and var 8 are not equal to each other. It means this won't show, this line won't show. So actually what I have to do is, actually I'm just using the less than sign. So the thing is, if var 7 is less than, okay, var 7 less than var 8, really simple and easy to understand. If var 7 is less than var 8, then this statement will run, and the mean is that this if statement will true. Okay, so obviously the var 7 is smaller and less than var 8. Var 8 is 9 and var 7 is 8. So that's why when I just go to the browser and if I just type the localhost, make sure that you're running the server. Okay, here I'm just typing localhost, and here I'm just typing PHP and pressing an enter, and here var 8 is not equal to, actually var 8 is less than, okay, var 8 is less than var 6, var 7, sorry, var 7, not var 7, actually var 7 and var 8, not 6. Okay, that is more perfect. Go to the browser again, refresh it, and now I'm just getting the perfect thing. 8 is less than 9. This is perfect. Now if I just use the another sign, the greater than sign, okay, if var 7 is greater than var 8, then this statement should show. Go to the browser and refresh it. Now I'm getting nothing. That means only the previous command. Just why? Just because something wrong here. Obviously var 7 is not greater than var 8. But what if I just put 18 here? 18, and here is 9. Obviously the var 7 is double of 18, so var 8. Okay, so go to the browser and refresh it. Now obviously 18 is less than, actually I have to change this text because this is a simple string text. We can type anything here, greater than. Okay, now refresh this, and now obviously 18 is greater than 9, and the sign is greater than, not less than. So I hope you understood both of them, the less than and the greater than, so you can use them in this way easily. Now one thing more, there is another not equal to sign by using the less than and greater than signs. For example, I'm just typing, or actually I'm just copying this old command. Okay, now here I just pasted it, and now the thing is I'm just removing this and just putting equal to, less than and greater than. It means neither less than nor greater than. That means not equal to. Okay, or actually I'm just telling that should be less than or greater than, okay, but not the not equal to. And obviously this is actually it has the less than and greater than both commands, so obviously the greater and less than formula won't work as well, so that's why it is the not equal to sign. If I just refresh this, and now I'm just getting nothing, so only this line is visible here, not equal to. So I think this line is visible. And why this line is visible? Obviously here I'm just checking the data type as well. So obviously the data type is different, So that's why this statement becomes true and this line is showing in the browser. So I hope you understood how to manage these kind of stuff, but I'm just teaching you some more interesting and new thing. The first thing first, please point out, note out, and code all of these coding somewhere, okay? Because this is really important for you. Here what I'm just doing, I'm just calling var1 and less than, okay? var2, perfect. And here this is the statement echo. I'm just copying this line, okay? Here I'm just pasting it. And now what is the thing actually? Obviously var1 is not less than var2. They both are same. That means these are neither less than nor greater than. So what to do? Actually we can use another formula or another operator, the less than and equal to operator. Just put the equal sign. That means I'm just telling that var1 is not equal to or less than var2. So if any condition becomes true, this line will show. It means maybe var2 is less than var1, that means condition is true, and maybe var2 is not less than var1 but just equal to var1, then still this condition is true. It means less than or equal to. Let's just refresh it, and now I'm just getting 5 equal to is equal to 5, and in same as I can use the greater than or equal to. It means maybe the var1 is greater than var2, that means this is true, or if not greater than var2 but at least equal to, not less than, okay? We're talking about the greater than or equal to, and the previous sign we just talked about the, look at that, this is correct. That means this line is running. So the thing is that when we talk about less than and equal to, that means not greater than but equal to and less than. But when we talk about the greater than, that means we're talking about the greater than and equal to, not less than. So I hope you understood this simple formula and different ways to learn the comparison operators, the conditional operators. So we'll meet in next class. Goodbye and stay tuned.